Hello. Okay, we're continuing with the OCR November 2020 paper 5, question 14. So we've got 4a to the half times by 3a squared. So we do the numbers first. 4 times 3, that makes 12. So we'll have 12 there. And then a to the half times by a squared will give us a to the 2.5 because we add those powers together. So 12a to the, and I'm going to call it 5 over 2 because we like to have these as improper fractions when we give our answers. Okay, for b, we need to apply, I'm going to zoom in a bit here, need to apply the power on the outside of the brackets first. So 2 cubed is 8. A squared being cubed is a, let me get this right, 2 times 3. So we have a to the 6. And that's going to be over a to the negative 3 cubed, which is going to make a to the negative 9. Now, this is effectively a division now. Okay, and then when we're dividing, we're going to subtract the powers, but minusing a minus means that we add, so 8a to the 15. Okay, question number 15. Solve. Oh, wow. So first thing I'm going to do is multiply by x plus 6 to get that off the bottom. That's going to happen on both sides. So x equals 5, open bracket, x plus 6, close bracket. Okay, I've got two unknowns. I need to convert that to 1. Next step is going to be expanding the brackets. So 5x plus 30. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. Gives me 0 equals 4x plus 30. Then subtract the 30. So I have 4x on its own. And then x equals negative 30 over 4, which is negative 7.5. Negative 7.5. Okay, make sure you do that step by step. Very important. Right, 16A, the masses, m kilograms of some parcels are shown below. Jack constructs this group frequency table to record the masses. Explain why Jack's table is unsuitable to record the masses. So there's overlapping boxes. Overlapping boxes. I hope I've not spelled that wrong. So we don't know where we're going to put the 5 or the 10 because they overlap. The histogram summarizes the times taken in minutes by some students to complete a race. Okay, very nice. Where's the question at? Scroll down. Show that 70 students took between 45 and 75 minutes. So 45 is here. 75? Have I read that wrong? 45 and 70. Okay, so I need these two boxes. This one's got a width of 5 and a height of 6. So this one in here is 5 times 6, which is 30. And then this box here has a width of 20 and a height of 2. 20 times by 2 is 40. Then we add them together, and that should give us 70. Is that what it said? Yes, there we go. Super. Okay, just want to make a quick note there because the frequency equals frequency density times by time. So effectively the area is the frequency. And if you want to make that into a formula triangle at any time, I don't mean time, I mean class width, sorry. That's the context of the question. So your class width there, and that makes a frequency triangle, a formula triangle. Can you tell I'm tired? Pretty tired today. Okay, let's keep finishing this off. Calculate an estimate of the mean time taken to complete the histogram. So 30 to 40. And we've got 40 to 45. 45 to 50. We've got 50 to 70. And then I need the values. So we've already got a 30 and a 40 for those last two boxes. A 30 and a 40 for the other two. I've got 5 times 4, so that one's going to be 20. And this one's 10 times 1, which is 10. So 10 and 20. Look at them. They work out quite nice. All right, let's get this done. So the midpoints is what I need next. So 35. This midpoint's 42.5. This midpoint, 47.5. And then finally, this one is 60. These add up. This is the frequencies. This is the midpoint. These add up so nicely. So let's give you 100. Okay, my f of x column, 350. Now, 42.5 doubled is going to be 0 carried a 1, 5, and then 8, so 85 in there, and then add the friendly 0 from Benjamin Arthur on the end. 47.5 times 3. I should write that there, shouldn't I? So that's going to be 5, carry the 1, 21, add 1 is 22, 3 times 4 is 12, add another 2 is 4. I got to add a 0 on, or multiply it by 10, so that's 1, 4, 2, 5. Because I'm multiplying by 30 and not by 3, and then 60 times by 40, 6 times 4 is 24, so that's 2,400. Okay, add these up. 5, 5, 10, 12, carry the 1, 3, 11, 15, 19, 20, carry the 2, 2, 4, 5. Right, now 5, 0, 2, 5. My writing's disappeared. Divided by 100, that gives me 50.25. Let me just check my answers with the information I'm given. Yeah, that just ends up out there. That's brilliant. So 50.25. Question 17. The graphs of y equals x and y equals -2 are shown on the grid. The region R satisfies the following inequality. So this one we don't have. So I need to draw this line. Draw one or more. Interesting. So for this one, if we have 0 equals 4 minus 2x, 2x will equal 4 and x will equal 2. So that's a coordinate of 2, 0. And then y will equal 4 if x is equal to 0. Take away 2 lots of 0. So that gives me 0, 4 for that other one. So 0, 4, 2, and I'm going to have to play around and get a line. Oh, that's going to start here. No, undo. This is the problem of using the Surface Pro. Here we go. Does that go through there nicely? There we go. I've done it. Right. So I've got my lovely bit drawn. So it says it's the y value is less than that graph. So it's going to be that way there. Y is going to be less than x. So that means it's going to be underneath that one. And then y is going to be greater than -2, which means it's over that one, which means this is the shaded region of R. Fantastic. Finally, I just want to check this. Right now, this is the last point. I've drawn my line using my line function, but this is a dotted line. And the reason why this is a dotted line is because we do not have the equals to bit. And when it's equals to, we'll have a thick line through that. Okay, moving on. Question 18. I'm going to stop the video here because I know there's 20 questions in this paper. So I'm going to stop now and then I'm going to finish off in the next video. Okay, please make sure you like and share the channel. Speak to you soon. Bye.